Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here, the camera app. Let's start with that. The settings will be opened later on. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video. Just tap on the video option next to it, and if you can see the red dot inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. I can see that the resolution is here in the right upper corner, so we can tap on it, and now we've got 4 different resolutions, 4 different options, which we can apply. 2 options with 1080p, and the difference is in frames per second, as far as I can see, 720p and 2K. So all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use. Let me choose, for example, 2K. Just tap on it, and as you can see, the icon will change, and it will inform you which resolution has been applied, which also means that from now on, your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.